Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to read tire sizes. Let's get right to it. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you an example of some tire numbers that you can read. Let's go right to it. So as I turn the camera around right here, this is an example of some tire sizing. Now you can see if you look on the sidewall of the tire, you can see that it will likely be printed either here towards the inside of the tire or up here towards the outside of the tire, okay? So there are mainly three things that you should pay attention to that will pretty much appear on all of the tire sizes, and then there's some extra stuff that you should know. So the first number is right here before the slash. The second number is right here after the slash. And the third number is over here, a little bit further down. The first number is the width of the tire, okay? The width of the tire, okay? So in millimeters. So 205 means that this tire is 205 millimeters wide. Okay, very simple. Basically 20.5 centimeters. 205 is the width of the tire in millimeters. That's the first number. The second number, which is after the slash, is the aspect ratio. And this is a percent. So what this means is that the sidewall of the tire is 55% of the width of the tire. So it's basically the height. The height of the tire is 55% of this number. Okay, very simple. Very, very simple. This is a percent. And then the third number over here, which is 16, is the size of the wheel. So this tire works with a 16-inch wheel, a 16-inch rim, basically. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's a whole bunch of other stuff on here. For instance, the R. What does the R mean? Well, there are certain letters and letter codes that correspond with certain things. The R means radial, which means that this is a radial tire. Now, there are other letters that correspond with other things. There's quite a few. But just if you have a letter or a corresponding code on your tire, go online and do some research and figure out what it means. But once again, first number is the tire width in millimeters. Second number is the aspect ratio of the height, which means the height is this percent of this size. Okay, and the third number is the wheel size. 205 is 205 millimeters tire width. 55 is the tire height is 55% of this number, 55% of the width. 16 is the wheel size, 16 inches, and then R means radial. That's basically it. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video tutorial on how to read tire sizes. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe for more great car videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.